How to cancel or not VPN subscription. In order to cancel or not VPN subscription, just open any browser and then on the web address bar you need to type in nordvpn.com. Press enter on the keyboard and then you will be taken to this official interface where you have to click on the login button to sign in on your NordVPN account. And then once done, you just simply need to click on the billing at the left panel of the screen. And once you get access to this billing page, you will see the subscription option. Just click on it. So in case if you have any active subscription, you will see the option of auto renewal. Since I don't have any active subscription, so I don't see here. If you have any, you will see the option of auto renewal. So in order to cancel or not VPN subscription, you just have to click on the manage button which will be next to auto renewal. And then you'll be taken to the another page where you have to click on cancel auto renewal option. And then once you have done that, your auto renewal will cancel and you can also turn it back on any time to prevent disruption to your service. So in this way we can easily cancel or not VPN subscription. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.